Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting preview of the 2026 Toyota Crown Signia, a midsize SUV that's set to make waves in the automotive world. So let's get right into it. The 2026 Toyota Crown Signia is gearing up to hit the market as a carryover model from its 2025 debut. This SUV replaces the outgoing Venza and offers a crossover twist on the classic Crown sedan. Now, let's talk design. The exterior of the Crown Signia is not expected to change much for 2026. It boasts a striking look with sleek daytime running lights, a slim grille, and a mesh front fascia. The rear features sharp taillights connected by a horizontal bar and a sporty roof spoiler. It's all about those bold body lines. Inside, the Crown Signia continues to impress with its upscale interior. Expect a tiered dashboard, a sloping center console, and a spacious layout for up to 5 passengers. The tech features are just as impressive, with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a matching touchscreen, and wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, you can opt for an 11-speaker JBL audio system for that premium sound experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Crown Signia is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with 3 electric motors, delivering up to 243 horsepower. It's equipped with a continuously variable automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive system, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. Safety is a top priority, and the Crown Signia doesn't disappoint. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. For those looking for extra peace of mind, available features like a surround view camera and traffic jam assist are also on the table. As for pricing, while Toyota hasn't officially announced the cost for the 2026 model, we expect it to fall within the current range of $45,040 to $49,440. It'll be competing against heavyweights like the Kia Sorento Hybrid and the Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. So, when can you get your hands on the 2026 Toyota Crown Signia? While we don't have an exact release date yet, it's anticipated to arrive at dealerships before the end of 2025. Stay tuned for more updates as they come in. If you enjoyed this preview, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all the latest in automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.